If you have a 3D printer, love plants, and want to decorate your home garden, this video is definitely for you. Today we'll show you 3 awesome 3D printing ideas that will not only decorate your home or garden, but will also be truly useful. A decorative house, a convenient support for climbing plants, and a stylish castle-shaped pot. And most importantly in this video, you'll see not only the final result, but also the printing process itself, what materials and printer we use, where to find the print files, and how to use all of this in practice. The first idea is a decorative house that can be placed directly into a flower pot. We chose a small fairy tale style house with a roof, windows, and a ladder. You can easily find models like this on MakerWorld or in the Bambu Lab app. All links to the models are in the description below the video. We print the model using white matte PLA. The printing time was 2.5 hours, and we used 55 grams of filament. We used a standard 0.4mm nozzle, which is enough for good detail. Now we assemble the house from the parts and glue everything together using super glue. After printing, you can leave it as it is or paint it, for example, to create an old stone or wood effect. We usually use acrylic markers for painting, but this time we'll leave it as it is because we like the filament color. Simply place the house into the soil and that's it. You already have a mini garden with atmosphere. Benefits. These elements are perfect for decoration, especially if you have many plants. You can create a whole composition. It's also a great gift idea. The second idea is more practical, a support for climbing plants. A climbing plant support is perfect if you have ivy or any other plants that grow upward and need support. We printed a support shaped like a branch. It looks natural and blends well with the plant. But in fact, there are tons of options. You can make something very simple, like a ring or a heart, or go for more complex and decorative shapes. Here, everything depends on your imagination. Another advantage is that you can always choose the exact height and shape that fits your plant. Like the previous model, we printed using white matte PLA. The print took about 35 minutes and used around 40 grams of filament. After printing, simply insert the support into the soil and gently guide the plant along the structure, and that's it. Over time, the plant will start attaching itself and growing upward. Benefits. This kind of support helps the plant grow properly, saves space, and makes everything look much neater. And it's also much cheaper than buying ready-made solutions. The third idea is a full flower pot, but not an ordinary one. It's shaped like a castle. This is a more complex model with towers, windows, and detailed elements. The finished model looks absolutely stunning and impressive. Printing this model takes more time. For me, it was about 10 hours. I used thicker walls to make the pot more durable. After printing, you can finish and paint it, for example, to create a stone effect. Plant something inside and you get a real mini castle. It looks amazing. This kind of pot becomes a Palnaceni decorative interior element. It immediately attracts attention and turns an ordinary plant into part of the design. These are 3 3D printing ideas that are easy to implement even at home. They not only help decorate your space, but also make plant care more convenient. A 3D printer gives you creative freedom and the ability to create things you can't buy in stores. Write in the comments which idea you like the most, the house, the support, or the castle. And if you want more projects like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.